So I'm going to break from my norm a little bit here and talk about some of the tools that I use in the outdoors. I love cutting wood. It's one of my favorite things to do when I'm out camping. And whether I'm at a cabin in the woods or camping in the woods. And so these are two of my favorite. I've got the Silky Bigboy folding saw. This is the Silky Bigboy 2000 360 6.5. And for bigger logs, I love it. I love that I can flip it open like that to open it up and get started. I love being able to cut larger logs with it. But when it comes to small branches, this thing is amazing. And I'll show you both of them, but the thing I like about this little orange and black one is the handle. The way that handle is really allows you to pull, where this one doesn't have that pistol handle feel to it. And so this is great cutting larger logs, but when it comes to the short stuff, this is amazing. So let me show you a little bit of these in action. We'll start with the big boy, Silky. So when you're dealing with decent sized logs, and granted this is only maybe 4-inch diameter, it does a good job. It gives you a long pull. I really like that. So as far as the bigger logs, this is the way to go. I love the Silky Bigboy. It does a great job. I'll have a link for it in the description. Anytime you use my links to Amazon, you're helping my channel. So thanks a lot. Get yourself a Silky Bigboy. Let's check out the smaller one on some of these branches. So this thing doesn't even have a brand, a name on it or anything. I'll try and find a link to put in the description for you, but for a cheap saw, this thing is super sharp and really does some good cutting on smaller stuff. So when it comes to these kinds of small branches, it really bites in there. Shorter stroke, so you're not getting like the Silky Bigboy kind of stuff, but it really cuts through it fast. Silky will take care of that thing for me. Gotta leave something for climbing, right? Silky Bigboy. It's a lot of fun. They're both great saws. Just depends on what you're doing, but for the big stuff, Silky Bigboy.